Today is the big day. 5 years of supporting each other and loving each other has passed. Now we finally get to make it official.
Bryce, I can't wait to see you in a few hours and celebrate the beginning of our married life together. I knew I loved you very early on, and I knew you were the real deal. We've grown so much together.
From our fur baby to our home,
to traveling to 14 countries together,
we have created a life that is full of love and memories that will continue to grow and get stronger with every coming year.
You are the first person I turn to share the good times, and man, have we had a lot of those.
That does not mean that our life together hasn't been without its challenges. Through these tough times, we have been able to validate our love and commitment, as each time we have stuck by one another and supported each other. That is the sign of the strength of our love.
I've never laughed as much as I do with you. You're the funniest person I know, only coming in close second to me.
I promise to be your best friend, your stress reliever, your lover, weekend breakfast maker, and most of all, your devoted husband.
I can't wait to see where this next chapter brings us. I love you forever, Carolyn.
Love you so much, your future husband. So beautiful. God, so pretty.
Greetings to each of you on this magnificent summer's day. We thank those who have come before us for this day and for this place to celebrate love. We are indeed gathered to celebrate one of life's greatest moments, to give recognition to the worth and the beauty of love. Though there are only 2 official witnesses at any wedding, each and every person here today will witness the words that they will speak to one another and the vows that they will make.
In the presence of our family and friends, I, Bryce, choose you, Carolyn.
I, Carolyn, choose you, Bryce,
to be my wife,
to be my husband,
to have and to hold from this day forward, for better, for worse, for richer, for poor, in sickness and in health, in joy and in sorrow, to love and to cherish, and to be faithful to you alone. This is my solemn vow.
Remember that you have someone to share this life with, and never again will you have to walk alone. And may the happiness that you share today be with you always. And may every word that you pledged here be a living truth in your lives. And with all that you are, may you always honor each other. Bryce and Carolyn, we've heard your promise to share your lives in marriage. We recognize and respect the covenant of marriage that you've made here before each one of us as your witnesses. You may seal your vows with a kiss. My honor and delight to introduce for the very first time as husband and wife, Mr. and Mrs. St-Amour. Please show them your love.
Nous aimerions vous remercier d'être parmi nous ce soir.
Bryce and Carolyn, I share the feeling with everyone here that we are so happy that we get to share this experience together. Stars of the night, Mr. and Mrs. Bryce St-Amour.
Anyone who's played hockey with Bryce knows that he's willing to dive in front of anybody's slap shot to save a goal. But Bryce doesn't do that for himself. He does it for his team and for his friends, which is what makes him a great captain. He plays hockey the same way he lives his life. I see it in the way he treats his friends, family, and most importantly, Carolyn.
So as you can see right from the very beginning, Bryce was quite the catch. As the years passed, I witnessed Carolyn and Bryce's love grow for each other as they conquered life as a team, and I could not help but smile and be overjoyed knowing that Carolyn would no longer have to worry about being the crazy old catwoman with 10 cats. Her words, not mine. Carolyn has a contagious childlike joy for life. She is kind-hearted, she is loyal, she is trustworthy, she is also very creative, she is beautiful from the inside out, she's a real leader, and she is darn efficient with her work and school life.
I wish you may respect each other, may always see heart to heart, may fragrant flowers bloom over your life together, may your joy and happiness be forevermore.
Bryce, you are a person who's responsible for being who you are today. You're a beautiful individual, inside and out, and we are blessed to be your parent.
Me and him, anything we did, he was always with me, and we go around and do all these little jobs and stuff like that. We started to cut grass together, and we did it for 12 years. He never let go. I'm so proud for what he's turned into.
Oh, stop it.
I'm so proud that I'm his dad. But he's a good guy.
We wish you the best. We love you to the moon and back for both of you.
Caroline, this is the most important event of your lives and we are so thrilled to share it with you. Caroline et Bryce sont de grands voyageurs. Je crois qu'ils projettent de découvrir le monde ensemble.
We want to wish you a long, happy life together, and you have to come and visit us. There's lots of space.
And let the festivities begin!